Good afternoon folks, early afternoon that is. I think it's about 1 p.m. and I've just arrived at, for the second time in a couple of days, Brown and Quarry, and this is the car park. Right, now I attempted to do this nature reserve walk 2 or 3 days ago with the wife. Would have been 3 days ago, last Thursday, 4 days ago. Time flies when you're having fun. And whoa, here we go. Oopsie, I've just had a bit of gimbal trouble again. I don't know how long this is going to last. I don't think I'm charging. I'm not using the right charging cable. It's kicked off on me again, but I'll try with it anyway, because it's far better quality, I've got to say, when I'm walking with it. But yeah, as I was saying, so this is the second attempt to get this right. This is the Brown and Quarry Nature Reserve walk, which is the 16th, should be the 16th in the series of the Staffordshire Wildlife Trust Nature Reserve walkabout I'm doing. Hopefully. Oh God, no. I'm done.
Can you please just cut it out?
Just
cut it out.
Swing it right up this.
Cut it out.
Bad news folks, I've had to abandon the gimbal again, so what? We've got the shakies. I'm going to keep it as steady as possible. I'm going to have to look at that gimbal. I'm going to get a new one, I think. But yeah, as you can see, we are right at the right entry point for this.
Let's do this.
Nature Reserve walkabout, let's go for it. And I've got with me today the good wife again. She's decided to come on the second part of this this walkabout around this area, and it's just through the village of Waterhouses on the Ashbourne Road, A52. Got it right this time. I think I said A53 last time. And here we are, and it's turned out rather a nice day. Wife there waiting with Millie. So at least I haven't got Millie tugging on me today. And I have pointed this out in the last video we did, but we did the walk. We were wrongly directed by a lady that was offloading with getting out the car with the dog. And I just took her word for it when I asked where this nature reserve was. She actually sent us down. You'll see it on the last video anyway. I have actually put it in because it is neighbouring this area. I've put it up within the series, so yeah. But here are the actual rocks that I spoke about on the last video. The 300 million year old rocks. Don't look that old, do they? Quite impressive though. Yes, and I was saying, what a lovely day to see now. So I'll just knock this off a second. I'll just quick pan around here where I've just come in. And the wife has done one on me already. Okay people, save me having to put any information up on the screen, because I do normally. My head in the I've got the shadow of my head on the screen, but there you go. Pause now, and you've got, I think you can make it out, as much information as you'll need for this walkabout here. Brown and Quarry Nature Reserve. Where? Just been saying you've done one on me. Where were you hiding? Oh, okay. Right. So yeah, so if you've paused the video, you've got a little bit more information. I'll keep this on there. Widescreen. An information board around here. Look, I'll just have a quick look at this. There's a pathway here. I'm going through the long grass, doing the shortcut. Oh, there's quite a few information boards here. Right, get ready folks. Get this my shadow out of the way. Oh, I can't be doing it. I've got to go with this way, have I?
Oh yeah.
Pause now. Oh no, I've got shadow still showing in it. I don't know whether you can get that. Right, a lot more information there. I'll just go down to this other information board quickly. The wife's just cut up here. Have a look at this. And more information. And I'm casting no shadow on that one. So, welcome to the collecting pile. We don't think you'll find any bits of mammoth. Okay. So again, pause the video and have a look at that information. If you, and there's the Staff's Wildlife badge there. Okay.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again.
The wife is patiently waiting for me up there.
Where are you now? I hope you're fine.
And there's a 300 million year old limestone, I would assume, because they've quarried this for lime up until 1950, I believe, from the mid 1800s, or was it mid 18th century, which would have been the mid 1700s. Another information board here. So yeah, there's no way as I'm going to put a scrolling text information up on. I'll let you just pause these as and when, so you can have a look at the information yourselves. And Millie's having a good read. There we go, pause now. Just turning left now out of that quarried area there, and It looks like those steps as we just passed on the right do lead up to this part here. Okay, we've got a couple more visitors here. Oh, this is nice. Hello, is this the end of the trail? Okay, yeah, I was just wondering whether you could go round the top. It's quite nice, isn't it? Is it your first time here?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you local?
Well, from the other side.
Okay, the wife reliably informs me. Don't. Okay, I can cut it out. Yeah, that these are slippy steps and I can't get through past this barrier here. And I think it's probably a safety thing. Now, if I can leg over that and go over the top of, but it's looking as if I can't. No, I can't, not from here. Definitely not. No, I can't do it, Duck. But I can stride over this and, oh, of course this has been a viewing point at some time here. Because why would they have this here? To look into the actual quarry from this height. In a minute now, I'll go landscape. Right, furthest point I can go here, just come up the steps there. The wife's down there waving to me, thinks I'm on Mount Everest. She's laughing anyway. Yeah, it's as far as I'm going, Duck, and then I'll come down in a minute. Yeah, this is it. Really? I'm sure I could find a route in there to go and walk across the top where that fencing's put in. I'd obviously have to go out because there's no way I can get up from this end here. Well, I could, but we won't climb that. I would have done it in my younger day, certainly wouldn't attempt it now. And then get over, find my way through the thickets and the brambles there, and then get on that pathway across the top where it's fenced off, and then have a bird's eye view from off the top of the actual rock face. But don't need to do it, do I? That would be silly. Right, I'm gonna about say now, this is me in a minute. Let's have a quick pan around from here, ideal point. I couldn't think of a better vantage point I could take that from. Taking the quarry in as well. So there we go. I will make my way back down the slippery steps and hope as I don't fall on my bum or clout my head. Or whatever. It isn't too bad actually, it isn't that sloppy. Steps aren't too bad at all. I'll be doing my outro video, so it's a shortish one this is, folks, but at least we've come back and covered the actual nature reserve walk that neighbours the Walkabout we did last Thursday, which we thoroughly enjoyed. We had a picnic on that one, so you can see that video that is listed within this series of videos. But yeah, quite interesting and quite wet underfoot, but I'm not bothered about that at all. And there we have it, all done. Right, if you will folks, share, like, subscribe and comment as well. I don't mind you commenting, don't be shy if you will. And obviously I hope you've enjoyed the video and all videos I've done in the series up to yet. So until next time, be good, stay safe, take care, bye for now.